Hi everyone, I'm Igor. I've been trading binary options for over 11 years. Today I'll show you my trading session on Quotex. We'll trade based on support and resistance levels, expiration time. I'm picking 5 minutes, the bet is $30. Let's start analyzing the charts. Euro yen, I'll open a long trade right away. The price is in the support zone, the zone is clearly visible on the chart, and the trade, I'm opening it here for a rise. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, a short trade. We have a resistance zone here where we can see several price reversals, and since the price hit this zone with strong momentum, it is a short trade. I'm opening here. In a similar situation with the euro dollar, we also have a clear support and resistance zone. Previously it was a support zone, specifically right here, but after the breakout it became a resistance zone. Here again, we see a support zone, and then after another breakout it turned into a resistance zone once more. The price hit this zone with momentum, so I'm waiting for a price reversal. Euro Aussie, looking for a long trade right at the zone. What was previously a strong resistance level has now become a solid support zone. Looking at this dollar Canadian support zone for a long trade, right in our zone, clear price reversals are now visible. And of course it's worth trying to make money here. Dollar Swiss franc, I'll also open a long trade. Let's switch to a slightly different time frame. I'll turn it on so the whole chart fits. We have very clear price reversals occurring right here specifically, and basically looking further there are also some good price reversals to note. And for a 10-minute chart, everything looks great for us. I'll go back to M5. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, support zone. The zone is also clearly visible. The price can't break through this zone yet. There have already been several reversals of the price, but we'll open for a rise. And dollar, Japanese yen, same situation, also a support zone. Also a long trade, I'm opening. And basically that's all for now. 8 trades are open on 8 different assets. Let's see what's actually happening. 2 minutes have passed. Euro yen, I'll be duplicating. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, so far the price is going against me. 2 minutes have also passed. I'll also duplicate the trade, euro dollar. It's currently hovering right near the entry point for now. It is up by more than 10 points right now. So let's also open an additional trade. By the way, there are quite many losing trades at the moment, or at least trades that are currently sitting in the negative loss zone. It's not entirely certain it'll close that way, but it seems most of these trades should eventually close in profit. We just need to wait a little bit longer for the market to move. I'll duplicate euro, Australian dollar. And the other trades seem to be either hovering right near the entry point, or it's a bit too early to do anything here. Yeah, for now I'll probably leave everything as it is. Euro yen closes in 6 seconds. The price is at the entry point of the first trade, and it'll be a plus in the end. In the last seconds, the price went up. Wonderful. A total of 12 trades were opened. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, the price is also in the plus for now. 3 seconds. If there aren't any sharp price movements, then this trade also closes in profit. Wonderful. Euro dollar. Just now all the trades were in profit, but no, the first trade will close at a loss, to my regret. Well then, let's keep watching. Euro, Australian dollar. The price is also at the level of the first trade. 11 seconds, we need a price increase. 5 seconds, 3 seconds. And what will the result be? A loss, yeah, or a profit? A refund? Yeah, probably. I listed everything possible, but it's a loss. I don't know how that happened, but okay. The trade closes at a loss. So the dollar trades aren't working out at all so far. Dollar Swiss franc is also closing at a loss. The 4th trade at a loss, by the way. Unpleasant, unpleasant. I need everything else to close in profit. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Everything is stable here, everything is good. The trade closes in profit. The second trade is in profit. Dollar, Japanese yen, 7 seconds. Hoping for the same profitable trade. Yes, profit again. Good. The third trade is in profit. Euro yen will also be profit, 8 seconds. The price has risen. So the trade is closing here. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar will also be a profitable trade. Excellent. Euro dollar, 4 seconds. It's going to be a loss, it seems. I think both trades closed at a loss here, if I'm not mistaken. And the euro Australian will close in profit. Yeah, there were too many losing trades, and some of them in the final seconds. Well, the euro dollar has already dropped. Euro Australian, but there's a good price increase here. It happened right at the end. I made a little bit, but it's a modest result actually. I opened 12 trades and made about $40, or something like that. In net profit, that's not serious. So those are my trading results for today. If you're interested in how I find entry points on a clean chart, based on support and resistance levels, there are links to educational materials in the description. Everything is freely available, no registration required. Go ahead, read, and improve your trading skills. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, and leave comments. All the best to you, and see you soon.